Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, guys. This very nude and classic look, guys. So this is the Alia Bhatt wedding look, guys, and I'm going to recreate this look, and it looks so stunning and so beautiful. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel, guys. It's mean a lot. And also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So let's get started this video. So guys, for today's makeup I have already applied a moisturizer. Next, guys, for the base I'm going to use the Mars Illuminati base, which is this one, guys. This is in the shade Golden Beam, and currently I'm just loving this, guys. So guys, आलिया भट्ट के मेकअप लुक में काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्लो था, काफ़ी ज़्यादा नेचुरल शाइन लग रहा था. सो उसके लिए हमें एक इल्यूमिनेटिंग बेस क्रीम को अप्लाई करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस, and as you can see, guys, after applying this my face is looking so glowy and healthy. So I'm not going to apply any foundation on my face. I'm going to use only a concealer for today's makeup look. So guys, for concealer here I have this one, guys. This is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 0 to Sand. Guys, for blending this I'm going to use a beauty blender, guys, so that I got a very seamless blending and very natural coverage. See guys, so just because I have applied the Illuminati base cream underneath, so my face is looking so glowy, as you can see. And guys, always time लेके आपको अपने बेस को प्रिपेयर करना है, काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना है. So guys, after blending this, my base is looking so flawless, as you can see. That's it. Next to setting my base, I'm going to use this, guys. This is the Mars Cosmetics setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. So guys, it will highlight your face and also brighten up your under eye. So I'm going to use the same puff and setting my under eye. Next, guys, dusting of the excess powder. So guys, for eyebrow here I have this palette, guys. This is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Rose in the Air, and I'm going to pick this shade, and I'm going to fill my eyebrow. So first I'm going to comb my eyebrow.
That's it. Next I'm going to pick the shade.
So guys, after filling my eyebrow, next I'm going to pick this orange shade, guys. क्योंकि आलिया भट्ट के मेकअप में काफ़ी ज़्यादा पीच और न्यूड शेड का यूज़ में लिया गया था, एंड ऑल्सो गाइस उनके आईज पे काफ़ी कम आई शेडो थे, एंड ऑल्सो काजल था और मस्कारा ओनली. सेम शेड को मैं अपने लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी अप्लाई करूंगी गाइस। नेक्स्ट है सेम ब्रश से मैं यहाँ पर इस शेड को पिक करूंगी और काफी हल्का हल्का इसे अपनी ऑल ओवर आईलिड पे अप्लाई कर दूंगी। That's it. Kajal, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Kohl Kajal guys, and I'm going to apply in my lower and upper lashes. So guys, next I'm curling my lashes and apply this mascara guys. This is the Swiss Beauty mascara, and guys, this is very affordable, and also it is a thickening long lashes mascara, so you should definitely try this one guys. I personally love this mascara. See guys, its form is really amazing and very fine tip. Next for contouring here I am using this guys. This is a Sugar mini bronzer kit, and I'm going to contour my face very lightly. Here I am using this guys. This is the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush guys, and काफी लाइट इसे अप्लाई करेंगे. So guys, सेम ब्रश से मैं यहाँ पर हाइलाइटर को अप्लाई करूंगी क्योंकि आलिया भट्ट के जो चीक्स थे वो काफी ज्यादा ग्लोई लग रहे थे. That's why I'm going to use the same brush. See guys. Lastly guys, for the lipstick यहाँ पर मैं यूज में ले रही हूँ नायका मिनी लिपस्टिक इन द शेड है 50M. This nude color is very perfect for this look guys. It's for little bit shine on my lips. I'm going to use a lip gloss. That's it. So guys, after wearing my jewelry, my look is turned out like this. It looks so beautiful, and also guys, I'm going to apply a maroon bindi. That's it, and that's it guys. This is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do then please subscribe to my channel guys, and guys also like this video, and guys also comment me कि मैंने ये look को कितने हद तक recreate करने में success हूँ. And guys take care guys, bye bye.